Hi, my name is Dr. David Harris. I'm a physician in Austin, Texas. I've practiced here since 1992, so about 33 years in the field of physical medicine and rehabilitation. One of the great things about CHARM is the integration of super high quality advanced physical therapy techniques along with the regenerative model, along with the interventional techniques that we use from the standard model. So we kind of blend all those philosophies together and use whichever tools get the patient the results that they're looking for, which is to get out of pain and recover their function, return to the sports and the activities and the hiking and the things like that that they really are trying to get back to. By my nature, I tend to not be the person who does what people tell me to do. I tend to be pretty headstrong about where I think we can go. I'm headstrong about doing the right thing for patients. I'm headstrong about trying to make sure that everything we do is for the right reasons. And I feel very strongly that the group that we've blended with and future groups as we blend and become larger will be fully embracing how to do the right thing for the world and for our patients.